Hello friends, today we are going to use PowerShell script with Jenkins. Jenkins is an automation tool and most likely it is using Groovy script uh, for its pipelines, but just in case, in a special case you want to use the PowerShell script, so let us get started. It will be just a quick thing. So I will log into my Jenkins. So we are there already in the Jenkins. So we will create a one pipeline. So I would say use PowerShell. So we will be using you know, PowerShell steps in our sorry, I mistyped the spellings. So let me change it. How do we rename PowerShell? So okay, so rename. Use PowerShell is my current pipeline I just created, but let us configure it. So dashboard, I have PowerShell. Oh my god, it is not renamed. So I will say rename PowerShell, rename, yes. And now in PowerShell I will configure the way we configure usually, right? This is PowerShell script, so I will type the PowerShell script here. I would say pipeline. This is declarative pipeline, and it will say agent, any agent, and I would say stages, and then it comes like stage hello. I would say that stage hello, the syntax goes like this, right? And in the stage there are steps, right? In the steps we will type because it's on Windows, so I will use bat, and then in the single quotations I would say PowerShell minus file, and I will give the full address. Now for a PowerShell script, I have in here I have written PowerShell script here. This is the only text file that was from some previous project, right? So this is the, here we have PowerShell. I can show you what is inside through the notepad. See, I am just having the header only, and it will print hello world from PowerShell, and then this equal sign, line, and this line also. And let us see what it gives us when we run through PowerShell. So this is the path, okay, and I will run it through PowerShell. So cd, I will show you what we are expecting from this one. So I would say dot hello. So hello ps1. So hello ps1 will print 4 lines. I think, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. First is hello from PowerShell, and second one, and then is who am I, and then last line like this. So this is simple script. So let us expect that it will run smoothly without any issue, right? So hello dot ps1 is the PowerShell extension. So I would say save it, and then let us try to build it. It failed. Let us see what happened. Oh, actually, normally we always forget this thing. This is what it is, right? So single quotation, because it's a Groovy script kind of script, so I will show you what to do. So mostly whenever you are having something that has backslashes, now in in Linux you have forward slashes, so you don't have to worry about that one. But when we come to Windows, we need to escape these characters, because backslash is the escape character in Windows, no, in Java. So we have to go by escaping every backslash, so that when it goes to the interpreter, it will. Oh, there is another mistake here. Dot. It should be dot, right? So this is Groovy sandbox, right? So that's why this PowerShell command, it is good. Then a file, specifying the file, you can include in double quotations, but because there is no space in between, so I'm just using it like that. So save it, and now you will be successful. Now if you want to see how it runs, then you can go there and watch the console output, what it says now. See, now you can see it is successful. So it is successful, but hello from PowerShell, and then you are having equal sign, same as the one that we ran. Remember, this is the one, right? Hello from PowerShell, and then equal sign, and then who am I? Now this is being run as anti-authority system, because you have defined Jenkins as local authority, right? So that is what it is, right? Now this is the fourth line. So it ran as we expected it, right? So let us see. So first time it had failed, that was because of the backslashes. Now second time, when we corrected those backslashes, and then it is successful. So what it is doing, it is just displaying. You want to see, just click on this link, and then you will go to console output, and through the console output you will see everything, that whatever happened in running this pipeline. So this is all about the pipeline using PowerShell in Windows. If you can also use PowerShell in Linux operating system, but there you have to install the PowerShell PWSH. I think that is the name of the interpreter in Linux. So this is all about today's tutorial and walkthrough, and now we will continue with some other kind of more examples for anything that you would like to, but just to give us a feedback what you want to see. We will be having that one ready for you. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye now.